Welcome to my channel, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video para bongga na. So, bagong video na naman mga bestions, bagong kaalaman. So, ang mga ganap na ito ay yung mga before, during, and after earthquake. So, since elementary naman, pinag-aaralan na to, it's okay. Iaano ulit natin siya. Kasi bali nakalimutan din namin mga bagay kasi na talaga nakalimutan na. Diba? Sige, no more drama na. So, ito yung mga ganap ng mga before ng earthquake.
We don't know when will the earthquake will occur, so we must prepare for this kind of disaster. First, we should have prepared first aid kit that contains cotton, bandage, betadine, and other medical supplies. Second, we know where we should go when the earthquake comes. Third, we should know where is the faster way to exit and go to an hazard-free area or space.
So, ngayon, nalaman nyo na yung mga ganap before earthquake. So, ngayon, tutungo naman tayo sa during earthquake.
Morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Today, we're... Don't overhaul! Try to find something hard on your head.
Don't panic and scream. Stay calm. Don't stand near glass doors or windows. It might break. Stay away from heavy furnitures. Don't use lift or elevator. Take the stairs instead. If you are outside, stay away from electric poles and trees that may fall. If you are in a vehicle, do not continue to drive and do not park under bridges. If you are near the shore, immediately move to higher ground as big waves or tsunami may be generated by the earthquake.
So, ito na mga beshies, ang huli-huli sa lahat ay ang after earthquake drill.
What we're going to do after an earthquake. Check yourself and others for injuries. Provide first aid for anyone who needs it. Check and stay out of damaged buildings or areas. Turn on radio. Don't use the phone unless it's an emergency. Expect aftershocks. Evacuate quickly.
So guys, kaya napanood nyo na yung mga ganap ng before, during, and after earthquake. So, ngayon, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like again to my channel. And kung nagustuhan mo, huwag mo kalimutang i-share ito sa lahat ng mga kaibigan mo. So, ayun na, andun na tayo sa point na may ma-aksidente, may masasaktan. So, keep safe na lang guys, and sana may natutunan kayo sa aking video.
Thank you for watching.
For injuries. Provide first aid kit.
So, ngayon, nalaman nyo na yung mga ganap tuwing... Ay, sorry.
Expect aftershocks. And evacuate quickly.
We don't know when will the earthquake will occur. Try to find something hard on your head.